doing my blog, doing laundry, just waiting. And it's raining, as you can see. It's getting more rainy, more windy. You can hear everybody talking in their apartments. I'm going for the elevator. Slowly getting windy, but not too crazy, as you can see. Anyway, I guess I'll later. Right now it's getting a little windy, as you can tell. See what's going on outside. It's kind of windy. That's coming down, but you can tell that right there it cracked because of all the crazy wind, which didn't happen before. Patio, I put everything on that side, so well, it's a reflection of the toys. But if you look, it's all furniture just stuck together. The patio furniture. It's all windy crazy. I wanted to throw trash, but I don't know if I'm gonna be dry coming back. It's kind of running sideways almost, but luckily it's not that crazy here. But you can see, like, but yeah, that little part broke because of the crazy wind. So far, it's not that crazy in here. It's really crazy to see. It's all crazy. Taking my dog to go restroom. There's one spot in the apartment which is perfect. It doesn't get windy because of how the structure is built in that area. And everything. You see the pool right now. You can see the pool being tapped like crazy. It wasn't windy like, well, if you saw it when it was windy earlier, or now you can see it kind of waving. Its own little waves. But it got kind of calm. Just into her business there. See the rain. Oh, now you're going too low. Okay. She found her spot. It's not as crazy as before, but you can see more wind, rain. Dog just decided to go bathroom quickly to get out of the wind. She didn't like it. Okay, from the patio, see all the furniture's all stuck together. Ooh, it's raining. Wind. I'm pretty sure everything's okay. I think it'll be fine. The car's all the way to that little red car. That's right there. That's my red car. Only regret I have is not putting soap on it so I could get a nice wash. Got water in my face. The no parking sign fell, as you can see. There's this douche guy. He doesn't like the cats being on his car, so he puts little plushies. There's another guy that does the same thing on the other side. That douche is like right there. They just don't like cats being on their car. The cats, sometimes they're on my car. I make sure there's no cats when I turn it on in the engine because I'm worried that they're going to be stuck in it. Ooh, my face all wet. And it's a little windy. I'm holding it with both hands now. You can see, they're falling. Anyway, I just came inside because I'm all wet now from all the sideways wind. So the furniture's all fine. Everything looks okay. Hopefully everything's okay. And then that giant plant I have is Chaya. I call it my plant when climate change happens. I call it the toyu. I've been growing it for over 10 years. Then you have my aloe vera plant right there. And then my experimental plants that died there. And just random stuff I have in there. Anyway, I guess I'll go talk to you guys later. Take care. Bye.